Okay, that's done. Nice little cross stitch you can see on the inside there. Um, kind of torched it a little bit, but again, leaving that one last hole just for a little bit extra give in my leather there. Um, so those two pieces are done. Now next one is this one. Same thing, cross stitch. On this one, I like to start from the outside and stitch in. Um, be aware of your hole diameter, and I did cut one of them. I'm not going to say which one, but I cut the threads on one and had to fix that. So anyway, cross stitch this together, and then you're going to take this piece and you're going to stitch it on top to here. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do all that because I like sitting on my little fat butt instead of doing it on camera. So cross stitch, saddle stitch. But once this is together, you're going to have a cone. This will be easier to stitch on if you pop the cone inside out. Put it on there, stitch it together, and when you're done, pop it back. Don't do that if you're using the same stiffness and thickness of leather, though, because it will mess it up. So I will see you back again when I get this done. All right.